In this video, I'll show you how to attach files in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not work like email, so there is no traditional paperclip-style attachment button inside a document. Instead, Google's built-in way to add a file to a doc is by inserting a file smart chip, which creates a clickable file reference inside the document. Google says you can insert smart chips for files stored in Google Drive, and anyone in the document can click or hover over the chip to see more information. To do this, open your Google Doc on a computer and place your cursor where you want the file to appear. Then type the @ symbol. A menu will open with suggestions. Start typing the name of the file you want to attach, and Google will show matching files from Drive. When you see the correct one, click it, and the file will be inserted as a smart chip. Google says this is one of the main ways to add a file chip in Docs. There is also another path if you prefer using the menu. Google says you can click Insert, then Smart Chips, and choose the file option from there. After that, search for the file name or related keywords and select the correct document, spreadsheet, slide deck, or other Drive file you want to add. Once the file chip is inserted, it becomes a neat clickable link inside the document. When someone hovers over it, they can preview related information about that file. This is useful when you want to reference a supporting document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other Drive file without copying all of its contents into the current doc. There is one important detail to keep in mind. Google says adding a file smart chip does not automatically give other people permission to open that file. So if your collaborators need access, you may also need to share the linked file with them separately. Otherwise, they may see the chip but still get an access request when they try to open it. So the easiest way to remember it is this. In Google Docs, you do not really attach files the same way you would in Gmail. Instead, you insert a file smart chip by typing @ and choosing the file, or by going to Insert greater than Smart Chips and selecting the file from Drive. That is the built-in Google Docs method for adding a file into a document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.